Hello, welcome back to Commerce Easy Notes. Today we are going to discuss on operating costing. Operating costing is a process and a technique of accumulating an ascertainment of cost for providing a standardized service to the public or an undertaking. Operating costing is a method of costing used to ascertain the operating cost. It is also known as service costing. It ascertains the engaged rendered services than producing goods. Definition of operating costing in ICMA London. Operating costing is that form of operation costing which applies where standardized services are provided either by an undertaking or by a service cost center within an undertaking. We'll see the features of operating costing. It is providing services. It is used for ascertaining operating cost, the total cost divided into fixed and variable cost. It is prepared through cost sheet, and the cost per unit is equal to total cost divided by number of cost unit. Operating costing is suitable for these kinds of services, that is transport, supply services, welfare service, municipal and professional service. In this, transport services include railway, lorry services, bus services, airways, and all this are included in transport services. In supply services, electricity, water, gas, etc. Welfare include hospital, canteen, school, colleges, libraries, hotels, etc. Municipal services include road maintenance, street lighting, etc. And professional services, management consultant, accounting, legal services, and so on. Include entertainment services like cinema, drama, etc. For all these kinds of services, it is easy and suitable to adopt operating costing. Operating cost units are being classified into enterprise and cost unit. Passenger bus or train and calculated in cost unit of passenger kilometer. Taxi car or tourist buses in kilometers. Lorry or truck in ton kilometer. Therefore, they are mainly used for carriage of goods. Hospital bed per day, patient per day or per operation. Electricity company kilowatt hour. Canteen per meal per cup of tea. Hotel room day, cinema, band show, school or college per student. So this is how a cost unit is prepared. Therefore, costing in operate costing, it is conducted according to the cost unit of each senders. Now we will see a problem related to passenger kilometer. A lorry carries goods from station A to B and it returns directly from A to B with 60 kilometers and B to C is 50 kilometers. For the return journey, the distance from C to A is 80 kilometers and it carries 10 tons from B to C and 3 tons from C to A. Calculate absolute ton kilometer and commercial ton kilometer. In absolute ton kilometers, A to B, it has 60 kilometers carrying 10 tons, therefore 60 into 10, 600. From B to C, it has 50 kilometers with 5 tons, therefore it gives out 250. And from C to A, 80 kilometers carrying 3 tons, therefore 240. Totaling all these three gives you 1090 kilometers. This is what the value in absolute ton kilometers. Next, in commercial ton kilometers, the total distance into average load. Average is considered in commercial ton kilometers. Therefore, total distance is equal to 60 plus 50 plus 80. As A to B, B to C, C to A. It gives total of 190 kilometers. An average load 10 plus 5 plus 3 divided by 3, 6 ton. Therefore, 190 into 6 gives out 1140 ton kilometers. So this is what So this is the answer of commercial ton kilometers. Next, we have preparation of operating cost sheet. From the following data, calculate the cost per kilometer of a vehicle. Value of vehicle is rupees 1,50,000. The road license fee per year is 2,500. The insurance per year 500. Garage rent per year 3,000. Driver's wages per month 2,500. And cost of diesel per liter 30. Kilometer run per liter 8 kilometers. Proportionate of charge for tire and maintenance rupees 2. Estimated life 1,50,000 kilometers. Estimated annual mileage 6,000 kilometers. This is the question given. So we are asked to prepare operating cost sheet. So firstly, the format of operating cost sheet is fixed variables. Firstly, we have to follow the format of cost sheet. Firstly, fixed charges and then variable, and you'll find out cost per unit. We'll move to the solution part. Your operating cost sheet. 3 columns, particulars, total per year and cost per kilometer. Fixed charges are all given in total of a year. Therefore, we'll add and then divide kilometers. Therefore, fixed charges, road license 2,500, insurance 500, garage 3,000, directly given in the question. Driver's wages is 2,500 per month. Therefore, converting it to for 1 year into 12, it gives out 30,000. Therefore, total fixed charges becomes 36,000 and total kilometers are 6,000. Therefore, 36,000 divided by 6,000 gives you 6 rupees. Therefore, fixed charges cost per kilometer amounts to rupees 6. The second part includes variable charges. The cost of diesel per liter is cost 30 rupees. Then kilometers run per liter is 8 kilometers. Therefore, cost per kilometer includes 30 divided by 8, 3.75. The tire and maintenance cost is given in the question directly rupees 2. Depreciation 1,50,000 is the cost of the vehicle. It is estimated life includes 1,50,000 kilometers. Therefore, 1,50,000 divided by 1,50,000 kilometer gives you rupees 1. This cost per kilometer is rupees 1. Therefore, total operating cost per kilometer amounts to totaling of fixed and variable charges cost per unit is 12.75. This is how our operating cost sheet looks. Thank you for watching.